Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Anmol Wadhwani and you're watching me on Femina.in. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. You will need 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon green tea and 1 teaspoon flax seeds. Grind all ingredients to a powder. Empty in a bowl and add water to it. Now mix well. Apply it on freshly cleansed skin. Spread it evenly on your face. Keep it on for 10 minutes. Rinse your face. You will need 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon milk, 1 teaspoon cream or malai and 1 teaspoon honey. Mix all ingredients together. Apply it on freshly cleansed skin. Keep it on for 10 minutes. Wash your face and you're all done.